Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour for episode Daan, Taipei, Joie de Vie by Hyatt. We spent one night at this stylish and retro-feeling hotel in a busy neighborhood. Lobby check-in is located on the 5th floor, with Chinese pop music streaming through the elevator and lobby speakers. We stayed in a one king bed with sofa bedroom that was about 33 square meters. Housekeeping made up the sofa bed in the evening, which folded out to the equivalent of a full-size bed. The room had nice dark color tones, giving it a jazz club feel. Bathroom was much larger than expected, with Toto sink and toilet with a bidet. The brass finishes were a nice antique touch, but the shower floors were very slippery, especially since there was no shower mat, so please tread carefully. This cool retro CD player is a take on an old LP player. My kids have no idea what I'm talking about. We booked the room using the Starlux Airlines promotion and was given this tote bag with some goodies. As Hyatt Globalists, we received a handwritten welcome card and a few free vouchers, which went towards ice cream for the kids and a Kavalan whiskey in a test tube for the adults. In addition to the front desk, the 5th floor has this small station with free snacks and beverages for hotel guests only. The gym is also here on the 5th floor and offers some light cardio equipment and some few strength training items as well. The air-conditioned gym is small, but enough to get a basic workout. There's also a nice balcony outside should you need some fresh air. In the evening, between 5:30 and 6:30, the lounge offers a very nice happy hour. Lights are turned down and the music is turned up. A cool selection of snacks with beer and wine included. I had some French red wine, which was excellent. Hyatt Globalists are offered complimentary breakfast at the Texas Roadhouse and Cafe on the 1st floor. It's an American-style breakfast with additional menu items from the cafe. I found the food from the cafe far better than the Roadhouse, especially the hot oolong milk tea. Overall, episode Daan Taipei hits the mark, and I will return to this spot. It's a nice change of pace away from the standard large hotel look and feel. Cool decor and intimate themes make this a future return visit. Thanks for watching.